Hi guys, this is Sean at Cowtown, USA in Cuba, Missouri. I've got a 2012 Platinum 4-horse. I'm going to step over here and look at the inside of this trailer. It does not have a living quarters in it, but it does have... We close the door, come back here, we've got your escape door. It's got a manger built into the escape door. We've got some more, a big manger door there. We're going to open the escape door here. Like I said, it's got the manger built into the escape door, drop down window, 2 load lights or outside lights on the head side. Really good tires on it. Really good shape all the way around it. We're going to step back here to the back. We've got a rear ramp, your bridle hooks, saddle bosses, another load light. Stepping to the inside, we've got your mangers, you got your stud divider, pop-up roof vents. And over here we do have the plexiglass on the butt side. Then we've got another load light. Guys, this is a really neat trailer. Priced right. If you have any questions, just call Cowtown USA 573-885-6300.